Introduction. If I woke up today, broke, unemployed, zero tolerance for excuses, but dead set on becoming a millionaire by 2025, I wouldn't dream it. I wouldn't vision board it. I'd go to war. Carefully planned, calculated, no room for fluff. Because let's be real, the internet is a smorgasbord of garbage advice, served up with a side of dopamine addiction. So no, I'm not here for the just be consistent bro nonsense. I'm walking you through exactly what I do, step by step, to build real, repeatable wealth in one of the fastest changing economies in human history. Grab your notebook, secure your Wi-Fi, and maybe put on a helmet, because Stickman is going full financial Navy SEAL. Let's roll. Start with skill stacking, not passion. Starting with passion before profit? That's playing the game backwards. Most people waste months trying to figure out what they love. Wrong move. Millionaires aren't obsessed with passion. They're obsessed with leverage. And the best leverage in 2025? High-income skills. I'd pick 2 or 3 with compounding potential. Copywriting, sales, short-form video editing, coding, or AI prompting. Then, I'd stack them strategically. Example, AI tools plus copywriting equals content machine. Storytelling plus video editing equals YouTube empire. Forget what's my passion. Replace it with what problem can I solve that people will pay for. I'd find traction in one and gain momentum fast, even if that means undercharging at first. Why? Because proof of work plus feedback equals credibility currency. But even with stacked skills, I need to place them somewhere that actually compensates me. Freelance like a specialist, not a generalist. Being a jack of all trades gets you ignored. Being a specialist makes you invincible. I'd hit Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, even Reddit freelancing boards. But I wouldn't show up saying, I do everything. I'd specialize. Instead of being a video editor, I'd be a TikTok hook editor for fitness brands. Instead of copywriter, I'd be an email copywriter for SaaS onboarding sequences, and I'd give more value than I promised. First 5 buyers? They'd get Loom videos personalized to them, extra revisions, and turnaround time so fast it'd drop their jaw. That leads to repeat business, word-of-mouth referrals, and rave reviews, aka trust hacking shortcuts. Freelancing would be my first moneymaker. But I wouldn't stop there. I'd invest that cash into long-term leverage. Because once I'm cash flowing, it's time to buy my time back and grow smart. Turn services into systems. Time is your most expensive employee. Fire it. I'd take the skill that's making me money and build it into a repeatable system. Option 1, create a mini agency and delegate. Option 2, productize the service. That means turning a custom freelance gig into a fixed price package with clear deliverables and ready-made templates. For example, if I'm editing short-form videos for content creators, I'd offer a monthly package, 20 videos for $1,500. Then I'd resell that to other editors under my system, controlling quality, training a few reliable people, and taking a 40 to 60% margin. Productizing removes the emotion. Clients know exactly what they're getting, and I'm no longer trading time. I'm trading outputs. But even then, this is still active income. To become a millionaire, I need money working harder than me. Build digital assets that sell while I sleep. Your income? It could vanish the moment you stop working. That's not freedom, that's a leash. So I'd start building digital assets. An online course or mini guide based on my freelance niche, templates or Notion dashboards, a silent YouTube channel with auto voiceovers and pre-written scripts, and an email newsletter packed with affiliate links. These products take effort up front, but they scale to infinity. Sell it once. Mail it 1,000,000 times. Platforms like Gumroad, Podia, Ko-fi, or Payhip make it almost too easy. And no, you don't need 1,000,000 followers. You need a niche with an appetite and a pain point worth solving. And no, this isn't get rich while you sleep hype. It's set it up once, tweak it over time, and get paid while eating ramen reality. But here's the thing. $1 million isn't just about making money, it's about doubling it. Invest early, even if it's small. Your savings account? It's a money coffin. And inflation is the gravedigger. Even if I was only profiting $3,000 a month, I'd be investing 25 to 30% into index funds, ETFs, REITs, all on autopilot, using platforms like Wealthfront or M1 Finance, no stock picking, no 3 a.m. crypto trades fueled by Red Bull fumes. Why? Because investing early means compound interest works for me, not against me. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. I'd also reinvest into my own business, buying better gear, upgrading software, and running ads to scale my digital products. And while my money grows in the background, I'd be building the one asset billionaires won't stop talking about. Build a personal brand, quietly but strategically. You don't have to go viral. You just need to be known for something by someone. I'd start sharing what I'm learning, not as a guru, but as a learner. LinkedIn posts, 10 threads, YouTube shorts, not a highlight reel, a documented journey. I'd create something valuable daily and hit publish, because distribution is power. With just 1,000 true fans in a niche, I can launch products, find clients, and open doors money can't. I'd use that personal brand to grow email lists, drive traffic, secure collaborations, and even land speaking gigs. A personal brand is digital gravity. It pulls income toward you. But here's the truth nobody tells you. None of this is possible without inner discipline. Live like a millionaire before you have it. A millionaire mindset, it's not about Rolexes or rented Lambos. I'd track my net worth weekly, cut out wasteful expenses, goodbye to 8 random subscription services, and I'd follow a 70-30 rule, 70% reinvested, 30% for lifestyle. I'd build routines to stack deep, focused work blocks, content creation sprints, weekend review sessions to track what's working, bi-monthly goal resets, and daily push-ups to dodge the TikTok black hole. I'd train like a world-class athlete in the game of focus, time, and money. Because if I can master my routines before the money shows up, I won't fumble the bag when it finally does. And finally, I'd master the one move that separates the wannabes from the ones who make it. Scale what works, ruthlessly kill what doesn't. Most people. They dabble. Millionaires double down. After 3 or 4 months of testing, offers, platforms, content types, I'd lock in on what's actually working. If short-form videos bring clients, I post more. If a Notion template sells, I build a bundle. If my email list is growing, time to launch a course. Everything else, gone. No shiny object syndrome. No more juggling 6 platforms. Just one message, one path to monetization, one audience, scaled ruthlessly. The goal isn't hustle. It's to build a lean, scalable machine that doesn't need 60-hour weeks. That's how you take back your time and turn income into wealth. Mental model recap. Millionaire math for 2025. $84,000 per month equals $1 million a year. That's about $2,740 per day. Or 500 people buying a $2,000 product equals $1 million. 1,000 real fans paying $83 per month equals $1 million. A $10 product sold to 100,000 people, same deal, $1 million. This game, it's not about fame. It's about being useful at scale. Conclusion. So if I was starting from a blank slate, no money, no influence, no shortcuts, this would be the move. I'd compound skills, offer services, build systems, drop digital assets, invest early, build in public, live disciplined, and copy the winners. Would it be simple? Hell no. Would it be possible, maybe even quicker than you think? Absolutely. Because 2025 has zero tolerance for excuses. It only rewards execution. Let's be real. Becoming a millionaire in 2025 isn't about luck, a crypto moonshot, or waiting for your big break. It's about making brutally clear what works, cutting what doesn't, and stacking execution like it's life or death. The things we talked about, they're not magic. They're systems, skills, offers, assets, habits, rinse, repeat, scale. Whether you're starting from $0 or $10,000 in debt, the ride is real and so is the reward. You don't need to be a genius. You just need momentum because the clock is ticking and 2025 isn't waiting for anyone. So let's be smart, move quick, and make that first million feel like a sure bet. CTA, if that lit a fire under your online backside, do this. Smash that like button like it's guarding your first $10,000 month. Subscribe so Stickman can keep dropping battle-tested wealth roadmaps, and drop a comment below. What's the first thing you'd do to become a millionaire in 2025? Let's not fantasize about seven figures. Let's build it. Stickman out. Peace, purpose, and prosperous plans.